Want epic graphics in Minecraft 1.2, 1.5? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to install shaders fast. Like and subscribe for more hacks, and let's make Minecraft glow in 2025. Close Minecraft and open your browser. Go to fabricemc.net, type Fabric Minecraft if needed, and download the Fabric installer for Windows. Then on CurseForge, grab 3 mods for 1.2, 1.5. Fabric API, Sodium, and Iris shaders. Make sure they're for Fabric Loader. Download all 3 and let's move on. Just follow me how to download them. Back on CurseForge, go to Mods, select Shaders, and pick a pack. Try complementary shaders for 1.2, 1.5. Check the gallery for cool visuals, then download it. Now, in your Downloads folder, you should have the Fabric installer, Fabric API, Sodium, Iris, and your shader pack. Time to install. Run the Fabric installer, select 1.2, 1.5, and install. Open the Minecraft launcher, choose Fabric 1.2, 1.5, and play. In File Explorer, drag Fabric API, Sodium, and Iris to your mods folder. Create one if it's missing. In-game, go to Options, Video Settings, Shaders, drag your shader pack in, select it, and apply. Look at that glow. If it's not working, recheck mod versions. That's it. Your Minecraft 1.2, 1.5 looks epic with shaders.
But nevertheless, if you
Like
have any
this
questions,
video
let us
for
know in
more
the comment section
Minecraft
down below, but that's
hacks,
how you do
subscribe
the
for
shaders in
weekly
Minecraft
gaming
1.0.
tips, and tell me, which shader pack are you using? Drop it in the comments. Keep shining, and I'll see you next time.